Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm going to teach how to draw Jamack from Kipo and the Edge of the Wonderbeasts. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm going to draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm going to draw an arch curve line across for the top of his head, right there. And at the side of that, I'm going to draw a curve line upwards. Semicircle turn to the right, semicircle turn back downwards at the outer corner right there. Now for the lower line of the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line across from the inner corner right here to the right. And from the inner corner, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line upwards, semicircle turn to the right with a curved line. Inside of the eye at this lower point, I'm going to draw a semicircle line across, and on the right corner I'm going to draw a circular niche like that and continue that line downwards at that corner. I'm going to fill in his eye with black color. Now I'm going to mirror the same shape of the eye on the left side. Below his eye at the side, I'm going to draw a diagonal curve line downwards and out, semicircle turn back diagonally inwards at this lower point to his collar. I'm going to copy that same shape again on the right side of his face right here. And from the ending point at the sides, I'm going to draw a curved line across from the left to the right. Now below his eye, I'm going to draw some curved line at the inner corner right here and a short curved line at the outer corner right there. I'm going to do the same thing on the right side as well. Now for his nose, in the middle of the eye, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards and another one on the right side. Now for his mouth, in the middle point below the nose, I'm going to draw a diagonal curve line outwards and slightly up to the right. Turn it diagonally back downwards on the right side of the face. Mirror that same shape again on the left side. Now above the mouth, I'm going to draw his mustache with a line upwards, off center in the middle point, sideways at this upper corner to the right, diagonal sharp turn back to the lower point of the mustache in the middle. Fill that in with black color. Mirror that same triangular shape again on the left side right there. And below the mouth at the side, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line on both the left and right. Now from the side of his face, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line to the middle point right there and on the left side as well. Below his head in the middle, off center, I'm going to draw a line downwards diagonally. Turn it sideways to the left, mirror that same shape again on the right side right here. A V shape in the middle point of that shape, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. Below that, I'm gonna draw a line downwards and slightly diagonal like that, and another one on the right side. I'm gonna fill that in with black color. Now from the side of his face on the left, I'm gonna draw his shoulder with a curved line out Turn it downwards at the side of his arm. Turn it diagonally back inwards to the right. Semicircle turn back upwards at the elbow point right there. Diagonally to the right. Turn it sideways at that corner with a curved line. And for the inner line of the arm, from the side of his shoulder, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line inwards to the right. Semicircle turn downwards. Below that, another diagonal curved line across. Semicircle turn downwards. Now for his fingers, I'm going to draw a circular line at his outer corner on the left, upwards. Turn it sideways to the right. Semicircle turn back downwards. Copy that same shape again for the other fingers at this lower point. Curved line across at the side of the hand. Below that, I'm going to draw a line downwards and curved line across to the left towards his sleeve. And at that corner, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape. A line sideways on the right side, turn it diagonally downwards to the right. I'm gonna copy the same shape of his shoulder on the right side right here. Now for the collar of his suit, I'm gonna take this point above his shoulder and draw a diagonal curved line inwards to the middle point and to the left. Turn it upwards diagonally to the left. Sharp turn back downwards. Continue that diagonal curved line to the middle point of the suit and turn it downwards at that corner. Copy that same shape of the collar on the left side right here. Below his arms at the side, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally downwards on both the left and right. Turn it sideways to the middle point. An upside down V shape in the middle point right there. And curved line across to the right. In the middle point, I'm going to draw a line upwards and a circular shape on the left side at that corner. Below the suit at the side, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line downwards and to the middle point. Curved line across in the middle of his legs, and I'm going to mirror the diagonal curved line on the left side. For his legs, a line downwards at the outer corner. Turn it diagonally inwards to the knee point, downwards. Turn it diagonally inwards below the knee point. Flare it back out with a diagonal curved line. Turn it back inwards and downwards. Curved line across. Turn it back upwards for the inner line of his pants. Flare it back out with a diagonal curved line. Back inwards at the side of his knee and back outwards at the thigh and turn it to the middle point right there. Below the pants, I'm gonna draw his shoes with two lines downwards. For the front part, diagonal turn to the right, semicircle turn slightly downwards, sharp turn to the left with a diagonal curved line, turn it downwards, sideways to the left and turn it back upwards at the back. I'm gonna copy the whole leg shape on the left side right here. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!